Hey, welcome. So, you want to grow a garden this fall, but you're not sure where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's break it down, step by step, and in just 3 minutes you'll know exactly what to do. First up, location. Pick a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight but isn't exposed to harsh wind. If you're short on space, containers raised beds work just fine. Next, prep the soil. Clear out weeds, old roots, rocks. Add compost. Trust me, your plants will thank you for it. If you're using containers, a good potting mix is perfect. Now what should you plant? Here are quick, reliable fall picks. Spinach, kale, lettuce, carrots. Radishes do great too. And don't forget garlic, just poke some cloves into the soil, pointy end up. Make shallow rows for seeds or dig small holes for seedlings. Gently pat the soil down, and give everything a good watering. Watering is important, but don't overdo it. Aim for moist, not soggy. Early mornings are best, so leaves dry out and you avoid mildew. If you've got critters nearby, try covering your beds with a light mesh netting. It keeps hungry rabbits and bugs at bay. Mulch is your friend. Spread some straw leaves, wood chips around your plants. It keeps soil warm and holds in moisture as the weather cools. As days get shorter, growth may slow, but don't stress. Some plants, like kale, actually get sweeter after a light frost. Protect delicate plants with row covers or even an old bed sheet. Want to keep growing as the weather cools? Bring your garden inside. Herbs like basil, parsley, and chives thrive indoors with a sunny window. Leafy greens such as lettuce and spinach are easy to grow in containers inside. Use quality potting mix, keep soil moist, and place plants where they get plenty of light. With a little care, you can enjoy fresh greens and herbs all fall, right from your windowsill. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more gardening inspiration on Greenest Thumb.